Eagles up there?
It looks like a bird, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It will do loops and rolls, but not today. I'm not having to do much. The wind is bucking it pretty good.
Yep. Keep it upwind so you can always float back or whatever.
Somebody get the sun. I got a feeling, when everything gets good.
First time I took it off, the battery was back too far, and it was wanting to go straight up.
There was a bunch of birds like that.
And it needs today is probably on the ragged edge of being too windy for it. It's about a 8-10 mile an hour wind, but it's doing all right now. It's bucking around a little bit. The wind turned it there. By moving the battery back a little bit, and then I had to give it a little down. Only trim I've given it is a couple of clicks to right on the ailerons and 2 or 3 clicks to down. And it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to tell the way the surfaces are made, which way they're going, or what the trim should be to begin with. So, it's a hoot fly, it really is. This will be 5 minutes on a 2200 so far. I'm gonna let it go a little farther. And it's this little tiny motor and slow fly prop. That's as fast as that wants to fly anyhow. If I'd have to try to get away from an eagle, I'm doomed.
Maybe you're quicker than he is.
And we have eagles at this field. So
yeah, he did. Chased him down the road.
Eagle 2. Bought it on Banggood. Really fun to put together. Pretty light. Not super durable, I don't think. I'm going to do something about the bottom. The skid part to the skid in. But 2200 battery will fly on a smaller battery, but I think you'd want a little bit of weight in it. But they glide really well, so and I put a little up trim in it, but it looks to me like the elevator's pretty flat to begin with. Put a little up trim in the I don't know, the ailerons look like they got up trim. It's kind of like a wing, a little bit of reflex in it, but also has eyeballs. See it? Hey. Love it. Arizona Electric Festival, here we come.